Everyone wants to find that one crypto project that skyrockets 100x, but how do you actually do it? In this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps to identify the next big winner before the masses catch on. The first thing to look at is the fundamentals. What problem is this project solving? Is there real-world demand, or is it just hype? Check the team, partnerships, and roadmap. If they have solid backing and a clear vision, it's a good sign. Next, analyze the tokenomics. What's the supply, distribution, and utility of the token? If a project has an infinite supply or the team holds too much, it could be a red flag. Look for projects with fair distribution and actual use cases. Community and hype play a massive role. A strong, engaged community can push a project to the next level. Check Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. If people are genuinely excited and spreading the word organically, it's worth paying attention to. Then, there's timing. Getting in early is key, but how early? Watch for upcoming exchange listings, partnerships, or product launches. These events can trigger massive price movements. Lastly, trust your research, not FOMO. Just because a project is pumping doesn't mean it's sustainable. Always do your due diligence, diversify, and manage risk. What's your strategy for finding 100x gems? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights.